Wake the town and tell the people. Yard style family. Are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
All right, now people, so it's evening time. It's about 7:23 now. As you can see, it's still bright and nice out same way. We're in the front yard, so we are go fishing tonight. So we are going to head out to the spot right here now, get the thing them sorted out, and we are going to head out and see if we can catch some fish tonight. All right, super excited for this one. So stay tuned because you're riding shotgun. All right, yeah, man. More drop it. Go party, Raja.
Stop for the front foot. Use your front foot. You tell them to put down my front foot.
Yeah.
No, whatever way I put the front. Start with your bell bottom. Just wind it to move. Push off.
Yo, you fall out plenty times by now.
I will want to learn Craig. I'm going to go like that like that. Just how you put your foot over, you got to push off a little bit.
No, I ain't pushing. Stand up. As soon as you bend, they can start.
I push off a little bit. This is the start. Me, I got to learn Craig.
Reach out the gate. Pull up on your foot. Open like a book. Yes.
Yeah, pull up with days we are fishing now. Pull up with It's about time.
Yes. Yeah, people, we pull up our spot you know. Right to the boat. See if we can go catch some fish, yeah? The boat here look like it fast, you know. Could have wrapped them on him big like a man. Rat! Like this, pretty boat. It's about time. Log on dance everybody if you do the online. Yeah, people, so out there we are going now. See what I go on, you know? Yeah. Alright people, so we'll get some bait you know. Yeah, so we'll pull up in our part of the marina where we can buy bait. So my brother go get the bait you know. And then we'll go head out, alright? Yeah man.
grouper. Function.
Watch yourself. What is that like that?
Take off the line, man.
What do you want to ask? Over to the light. Grouper. Alright.
Come clear the line, my boy.
You make sure you top line before you drop back in IC, you know. Grouper. Nah, sir.
Like you in clear line? Yeah.
Grunt. Nice grunt. Yes, Delberto. Snap off you. Where name?
School man.
Delani. Snap off the Delani. What him up again? Yeah.
Yes, for G.
Schoolmaster, nice, you know, like about 2 pounds, you know. Yeah. Nice strawberry grouper. Oh, look, that a grunt I know like it. Yes, me catch a nice grunt there. Yeah, that is a nice strawberry grouper.
Yo, I saw him Kevin. Yeah, you catch it.
Yeah.
Snap him out. Look.
Snapper.
Drop out ish.
And grunt. All I have to know, every fish with a funny.
See it there?
Nice job, boy. I see how the rat in the line feels so. Where?
After some. All speedboat. I get a turn for down. No.
They are the dock where I'll clean up and thing, and then you know from this, so yeah. Probably do a cook up tomorrow. We just stop off the video and thing, so stay tuned for that, alright? Yeah, man. Alright now people, so see catcher, you know. So we catch a big strawberry grouper. Nice size one that. So a Nassau grouper, yeah. Nice. Look a snapper. We didn't call it snapper yeah, again. A lane snapper them. Something like that, remember. So nice size grunt, see them, yeah? Yeah, man. Nice grunt them. Dog teeth, yeah. Or as they call them, schoolmaster. Nice one too. More grunt again over here, son of jack, yeah. Nice jack, you know. Side jack. Yeah, man. Yeah, so nice catch, people. Alright now people, so right now I'm there I eat one energy bar. The Raja, yeah.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
I run from the camera, I don't know one the deli, yeah. Oh yeah, there shirt. So we are cook the snapper right here. Now, yeah? As you can see me in my yard style shirt, you know. Yeah man. I go for your baby. Yeah, steam down snapper we find. We find crackers today. Yeah man, see guy you know. Yard style cooking. Yeah, smooth up. Yeah man, you see that why?
In the crew now.
Yeah. So we are cook up one snapper in idea, yeah? With some crackers. We are hunt down the crackers them from Wadi and can't find them, but we finally get them now. So we are cook up. Show you what I go on in our kitchen. See crackers them, huh? Yeah. You see fish, yeah? So we are get cooking here now. So Raja will put 2 slices on them, you know. Put the slice on the snapper here now. There. Yeah man, Chef Raja. Yeah man, nice snapper, you know. Yeah. Alright now people, so see seasoning them we are going to put on the fish. Unfortunately we don't have no Irish potato, but we are going to use what we have. Still are going to work out same way, alright? So we have some scallion, garlic, pepper, sweet pepper, onion, carrot, and like half of 1 tomato. So we are cut up them here. We go up on the fish, alright? Yeah man. A lot of people when you put them in a hole in the pot, like the holes them in the pot, people then dash them away. But as them boy would say, once you can't go in a pot, that means you can't eat. So when you cut them like this, at least then get some feed. Yeah, so that's the scallion. So I'll chop them here. Garlic. carrot. Yeah man, remember you know, steamed fish and crackers, you know, steamed snapper and crackers. You don't have all the ingredients, but I go see how it look, it go nice. I add extra carrot because I have my Irish potato. Add some extra carrot to that. Alright, onion. Pepper. Alright, I put a lot of pepper because while London don't really like the pepper. I want to do it, and it can. Alright. Oh, I got it on the phone. Alright people, so see it there? After that we go up on the fish then, you know? Yeah man. Alright now people, so see what I go on, I have some Maggi jerk and some Maggi all purpose. Yeah man, and this I go just I go be able to put some of this on the fish, you know, and put a lot on the fish, yeah? So just a little bit of the jerk, sprinkle over it. Make sure so you get some in the area there. Make sure so you get in the belly. This area. I'm gonna put a lot of the jerk because I'm like the all-purpose flavor more. So more all-purpose than jerk for me. Yeah man. Season up, okay. Seasoning go and soak in it, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. If you always ensure so you rub seasoning inside of the fish, you know. That way you get to soak in the meat more when it a cook. Yeah. So, yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, man. Alright, so Delhi in the kitchen with it today, so you know I have to get some of the action, you know. So, yeah, I had it now. Yeah, man, that good. So, little oil. And then, see there? I can't believe it's not butter. So, if I not butter, what? Alright. Yeah, man. So, with this now, people. We don't have no big pot, so we just improvise and we use the pan here, you know. We don't have a big pot, so we improvise and use the pan. All this Raja and melt all that. Yeah. Raja more over there. The melting. Alright. What we are going to do now, drop these inside here. After this now, get them poach a little bit now, we are gonna add some water to it, yeah? Yeah man, so rest of them can go in there now. Water, Raja. So add a little bit first, you know, add everything one time. So see it there for the fish. You need a lot of water, you know. Steam we are steam fish and it's like not like a big tough fish. So you need a whole heap of water for steam, you know? Yeah man. Alright now people, so I get the fish in the pot and continue the process, alright? Yeah man, so see what I go under the pot there. Or the pan I should say. Yeah, so it reached to a point where I want it reach. So I get the fish in there now, alright? Yeah. Alright now people, so see the fish here? I'm laying on the pot, yeah? Yeah man. So what go on? I think I should get the spoon. Yeah. Yeah people, so see what I go on there. Fish look well nice and thing. Yeah man. So let that get little steam on it. Me also have this one I gotta add to it, you don't know. Steam fish can't nice without this, you know. Yeah man. The Grace rooster noodle. Yeah man, see it? So yeah man. What you say? Look good. Alright now people, so what I go on there? Fish are steamed up nice and everything, so I will add rooster noodle to it, you know. Pep up the flavor, you know. Yeah. Alright, see that people, rooster noodle, you know. Yeah man. So I spread the love all over the town. Spreading the love, you know. Right, then you go. Here you go, spoon. Smell that deli. You smell that flavor that we get up a while ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You put them in chocolate and smell it.
You don't smell that? Oh. I say yes. Hey, some people are watching. Some people are watching and smelly food, you know.
Yeah man.
Yeah man. The people. Steamed fish. You go and catch little flavor, then we drop in the crackers then. And the reason why we add so much water to it, or add so much gravy, the reason why we make it with so much gravy, because we're gonna add the crackers to it, and you all know so the crackers take up a lot of the gravy, you know. Yeah man, we want gravy night when we're done, so yeah man, that is it, you know. Alright now people, you see the water crackers. Couldn't find none the other day, but we finally get some here now. We find a spot where we can get them. So steamed fish and crackers that are going today. So we're gonna add some here now. Alright, so we're going now people. Nothing normal. Did you ever had this before?
No.
Alright.
First time.
Let's see how this bad. Normal listen up, man. Real yard man style, you know. Yeah man. Real yard style, man. This you know?
We don't love much, so if this tastes good, we're gonna love it.
Alright. Yeah man, so see the crackers them. So what we're gonna do now, spread the gravy. So everybody get, you know, everybody get a little gravy over them thing. Yeah man. What you say, Raja? Oh. Wash on, man. Yeah, you know people, so see what I go on there. So ready for come off now, you know. Yeah man, ready for come off now, so I put it on a plate. I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah peeps, so I put it on the plate and my man them gone left me, so yeah. Put it on the plate now, you know. Try to see if I can work on the presentation. Steamed fish and crackers. Steamed fish and crackers, people. Yep. Real yard man style, you know. Yeah man. Oi!
We don't know how we in your yard.
How would this come on me yard, man? The boss himself.
That good, David. Yeah, that's good.
Cool, yeah. I'll take it off. I'll take
Yeah.
it off for you.
Yeah, people, so see what I go on there. Steamed fish and crackers, you know. Yeah man, well looking nice, you know. Yeah. Yeah man, so a piece of fear, you know, my boss.
Yeah, man, see it
I
there?
had this before.
Ban free.
Yeah man. Free promotion, yeah, I get, you know. Yeah, I get free promotion plus fish. He's a lucky boy. How they man coming now? Very far, you need far. Yeah man. Never had this before. Steamed fish and crackers. Jamaican style, you know. So what you want? I know my boss.
This better taste good, you know. Tastes good.
Yeah.
I never had this before.
Say ready?
Yeah, good, good.
Yeah man. Alright people, so see it yeah, me and Orlando and Delhi. So we're gonna mash up this now, you know? Yeah man.
Crackers.
That ain't nothing to trust. We don't know nothing about it. I don't know put crackers in water. But yeah. That's that.
Nothing wrong with it, just
No,
wash it
just
up.
put back in the water, make it.
You know more?
Yeah, don't
We
want
want
to.
fresh. Hey, you say we be some artists.
You say, yeah, you can't go over there, dog, and you fucking boys in short, and you can't run up and you man that one shot.
I got a brand new gun.
Brand new gun. Don't can't have body.
Oh, a pepper ketchup?
Calf, man. Oh, I don't want to cover it. Try to push it down basically.
Yo, that's serious? Over here, some man, things was dirty, done clean, done any gun.
Can't show that.
So there's something about the camera around.
People, it's a scapegoat. Yeah.
Yeah, people, so as you can see, we finish. Come to the end of the video. It was a beautiful day. The catching was excellent. The cook up was excellent as well. Yeah, man. So I enjoy myself. You can see, say everybody enjoy the food as well. So stay tuned, guys. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. And also, if you come to the Bahamas and you want to do any kind of boat tour or fishing or all of them kind of stuff there, you can see, you can check out Barn Free. Yeah, man, them do a lot of those kind of stuff, Yeah, man. And I'll leave the number or the link, the contact in the description, so you can actually get through to Barn Free, Yeah, man. So guys, peace out on this one. Hopefully we get to do something epic for the next one as well. Over here we have a lot of restrictions and I am not used to the restrictions as yet, so getting used to them, so to make some plans and organize myself to know exactly what I can do, and then I will go ahead and do some great videos for you guys. Alright, so peace out again, catch you on the next one.